Now you're on?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Positive now.
Okie dokie.
Go give me a Capri Sun. Maybe that'll get you a little closer. You get me? You get me? You get me?
What is the deal? We're out here. Good day, the homie. There's like this long trail, exploring, looking, seeing what's around. Sick. We'll see you out of it. That guy over there in the blue just basically told Mitch that he sucks at riding.
We all know this. You don't even know about large speed, dog.
You know, Mitch is getting ready to send it, bro.
I'm gonna try. If I had my Mototech, bro, I'd be hitting all of this right now. I'd be jumping the freaking riverbank, jumping over cars. Little wheel tap off the freaking hood. Gee. So I'm going to attempt to seat bounce. It's probably gonna be like this high off the ground, but hey, bro. Almost had the right.
Send it.
I had the right form.
Send it.
No, I need to do better.
You gotta send it more. Make it count.
That was more. I felt that thing come way up, and I said, nope, feet down.
Yeah,
you said send it more, so I sent it more.
Hold on.
That was better.
With Mitch, mini moto challenge. Pretty much now we're at the mini motos. This helmet right here is the start line, and this helmet is the finish line. Basically, we have 5 laps. Best time wins.
You're gonna have to record.
The crew's going
like,
up.
up, down, straight.
That's where you fell.
That's where you fell.
There it is.
Back down.
I see.
That was for the people.
They love you, dog.
Oh, you hold it wide open.
And with the clip, you got.
Dipping, bruh. Dipping.
Not being my time.
Easy work.
It's dying on him.
There goes 3.
What is... That's 4.
There goes 4. Last lap. Let's go. Get a little rundown on this last lap. All right, so we're starting. We got low battery, so we gotta get a little kick push going. Come up, seat bounce. Yep, same thing, seat bounce. Pop the tail up in the air, get a little sideways action, keep it moving. Oh, bottom with the foot. All right, let's go. Woo!
Finish, finish,
Let's
finish.
go. Let's go. I'm paddling.
Finish, finish. Your boy got Mitch by 5 seconds, but we're rematching. We're rematching.
Rematch.
It was like half dead when we started, and it was hot.
Shoot! Shoot!
I don't know, bro. I think I won.
Shoot! I don't think so, bro.
I don't think so, bro.
I don't think so, bro. I was flying, brother. Oh, he's running with it to try to save a little bit of gas, a little bit of electricity power. Oh, he's pumping, he's pushing. He wants it. Oh! Oh my Lord.
Did that. That's all we got for y'all.
Peace.